How to make your own trading robot. Overview of trading robots. A trading robot or expert advisor (EA) is a series of computer programs intended to execute trading orders automatically. This means that trading systems and regulations must be created first by traders and then executed by robots. The main advantage of using this system is that you can trade while doing other activities and you don't have to be afraid of human errors. Because of these advantages, currently many people are interested in trading using robots, and there are also many individuals who sell these robots in the marketplace for millions. How to make your own trading robot. Although buying this system in the marketplace makes the manufacturing process easier, it doesn't hurt you to make this system yourself. Here's how. 1. Understand the manual trading system first. The first step is to understand how to trade Forex manually first. The goal is that you know the basics of Forex trading, such as how to enter orders, how to stop losses, install technical indicators, and so on. That way, when creating an expert advisor, you already know what to include and what kind of strategy to use. 2. Understand application programming languages. Understanding the manual trading system will also make you more familiar with the programming language used by your trading application. This is important because the programming language is the language used to enter input in the form of trading strategies and decisions into the application. Generally, trading robots are built on the MT4 system, but that doesn't mean the EA can't be built on other application systems. Therefore, make sure you understand the programming language of the trading application you are using. 3. Check the broker's application programming interface, API. Besides MT4, you can also create an EA using an expert advisor generator or robot builder application or software. If you use the second alternative, you should know the application programming interface, API, used by your brokerage company. Application Programming Interface, API, is a protocol used to integrate software or external party applications into the main software. This is important because if you build a trading robot from software outside the trading application, you must integrate the robot into the main trading system or software. 4. Determine the level of automation. There are several levels of automation that you need to choose from to determine the level of integration and coding of your trading robot with the main trading application. Some of these levels of automation are: monitoring bots, semi-automated trading, fully automated trading, multi-user bot, social trading bot. 5. Define and enter a trading strategy. The next step is to determine and enter a trading strategy into the robot system that you created. This strategy will be the benchmark for the operation of your trading robot. Make sure this trading strategy also includes your risk tolerance for losses. For example, you create a trading strategy: open order buy when 20 EMA intersects 50 EMA and sell order when the US dollar to euro exchange rate drops 20%. So, the expert advisor will make a buy order if the two EMA lines intersect and place a sell order when the USD against your rate drops by 20%. The robot will do nothing when the two lines are just side by side or when US dollar to euro drops by 19%. Therefore, it is important for you to understand the various technical indicators, how to interpret and use them properly and correctly. After the trading strategy is entered, you just need to connect the CA software to the main application and enter it into a virtual private server, VPS. The goal is that when your computer is off, the robot can still run. 6. Backtest. The final step is to test the robot by backtesting to the trades you have made before. The goal is to evaluate whether the system and strategy that you have built is correct or not. If you don't have enough time and skills to build this program yourself, then you can buy a trading robot, expert advisor, from the marketplace or hire an EA builder to do the coding for you. With these two alternative options, you can eliminate steps number 2, 3 and 4 above, while steps number 1.5 and 6 still have to be mastered. Because after all, EA is just a computer system. All decisions remain in your hands as a trader. Advantages of creating your own trading robot. 1. Save cost. The price of a Forex trading robot in the online marketplace can be up to millions of rupiah. It's also not necessarily legit. You can indeed hire the services of an EA builder to help with the coding process, but of course you also have to pay for them. By creating your own EA, you don't have to buy this program online or rent it.